How to unfuck your life. Day 1. Lesson 1. Clarify your intentions. How do you find the right path in life? It all starts with clarifying your intentions. What is your end goal? What are you working towards? Let all your efforts be directed towards something meaningful. Robert Greene, in The 48 Laws of Power, reminds us to plan all the way to the end. By planning ahead, you won't be overwhelmed by surprises. You'll know when to stop and how to guide your own future. Stephen Covey, in The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People, also teaches to begin with the end in mind, because having an end in mind doesn't guarantee success, but not having one guarantees failure. The Stoics warned about oisis, false conceptions, which lead to chaos and dysfunction when your efforts aren't directed at a clear goal. How will you know what to do each day? How will you know when you've reached your goal or if you've strayed off track? You can't. Without purpose, you're driven into failure, or worse, into madness. So, define your goals, set your direction, guide your actions with purpose, and let no false beliefs stand in your way. Find your path, plan ahead, and let every step bring you closer to the life you want. If you really want to change your life, don't forget to subscribe, because this series can actually change yourself by the inner wisdom of yourself and eventually changing your life.